look at this. I just reeled in one of America's most ferocious and most popular freshwater sport fishes. It's the northern pike. Now, these fish really are ferocious predators, eating just about anything in their sight, giving them several notorious nicknames, including slough shark and water wolf. Now, what they'll do is they'll use their keen eyesight and razor-sharp teeth to eat big and small fish alike. That is so cool. Well, I think it's just about time to release them. That's a pretty good-sized one for Montana. And back he goes.